Have you started planning for your retirement? If not, it's time to get started. Today, we're going to discuss how you can plan your retirement like a pro, breaking down the process into easy-to-understand steps. First, let's tackle the big question. When should you start planning for your retirement? The answer is as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the more time you have to save and invest. Now, on to the first step. Set clear financial goals. Are you dreaming of a beach house or simply want to live comfortably without working? Whatever your goal is, identify it clearly. This will give your retirement planning a direction. Next, assess your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This will help you understand how much you need to save for your retirement. Thirdly, create a retirement budget. This budget should include all possible future expenses such as healthcare, housing, travel, and leisure activities. Remember, it's better to overestimate than underestimate. The fourth step is to invest wisely. Diversify your portfolio, consider long-term investments, and if necessary, seek advice from a financial advisor. Lastly, regularly review and adjust your plan. As you progress in life, your financial situation may change. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your retirement plan will ensure it stays relevant and effective. So to summarize the main points of this video, start planning for your retirement as early as possible. Set clear financial goals. Assess your current financial situation. Create a retirement budget. Invest wisely. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Remember, planning for your retirement is not a one-time event. It's a lifelong process. It may seem daunting at first, but with these strategies, you can plan your retirement like a pro. Thank you for listening, and here's to a successful and fulfilling retirement.